Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best pool vacuum is probably one of the most convenient gadgets for pool owners. Keeping your pool clean can be a real chore, but with the right electronic pool vacuum, you can say goodbye to manual scrubbing and hello to sparkling water with minimal effort. Today, we're diving deep into the world of pool vacuums to find the perfect one for you. Number 5. Intex 28003E Pool Maintenance Kit. Introducing the Intex Deluxe Pool Maintenance Kit. This kit includes various tools to keep your pool clean and safe. The color may vary, but the quality remains the same. The vacuum operates through your filter pump, providing extra suction. It's designed to clean the surface, floor, and walls of your pool. You'll need an Intex filter pump with a minimum flow rate of 800 GPH. This kit includes a 110-inch adjustable, telescoping aluminum pole. It's perfect for larger pools, and is recommended for pools 18 feet in diameter or larger. It makes cleaning easy. Use the curved wall brush to remove algae and grime from your pool walls. The scrubber vacuum is also great for cleaning the walls. This helps keep your pool sparkling. The maintenance kit includes a leaf rake with a debris net, a curved wall brush, a deluxe vacuum head, a scrubber vacuum, a telescoping aluminum pole, and a 24-foot hose with connectors. It has everything you need to maintain your pool. What we like. This kit is your all-in-one solution for pool maintenance. It includes everything you need to keep your pool clean, from the vacuum to the brush and net. If you have an existing filter pump and are looking for a simple, comprehensive cleaning solution, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The pole is really heavy-duty, with 2 separate sections to lengthen it. That keeps it nice and sturdy. And it's thick. Everything went together perfect. No issues. This holds all the dirt and pine needles in the bag, which is inside a housing that then sucks the water through to the filter. I used the vacuum head without the brushes first. Do you see how fast that little head did that, smiley face, and without making it a mess and floating all over? This vacuum works beautifully. I typically use the larger one that has the filter inside of it. It picks up a lot of debris. When we have a lot of leaves, I have to empty it once while doing the whole pool, but it is fairly easy. The pole is of good quality, unlike the cheap, flimsy one that comes with most. The brush is excellent and the hose and vacuum work well. Number 4. Pool Blaster Catfish Ultra Rechargeable Pool Cleaner. Introducing the Catfish Ultra, a rechargeable pool cleaner. It's designed for both in-ground and above-ground pools, making pool maintenance easier. The Catfish Ultra Gen 2 has a higher debris capacity. It captures more leaves, dirt, sand, and debris. It's perfect for weekly maintenance. This cleaner is cordless with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. It can run for up to 45 minutes, and there are no hoses or cords to deal with. Spot clean or clean the entire pool. The 10.5-inch vacuum head is for general use, or you can remove it to expose the nose cone for tight areas. It's lightweight and push-button operated. You can use it by hand or attach it to a standard telescopic pole. The pole is not included. Enjoy 15% stronger suction. Designed and engineered in the USA, it comes with a 1-year warranty and USA-based customer service. It's built with over 20 years of experience. What we like. This cordless vacuum offers the freedom to clean without hoses or cords. It boasts a powerful suction and a versatile cleaning head for various pool areas. If you are looking for a convenient and efficient way to spot clean or maintain your pool, this is the one for you. What people say. It has a lot of suction power. The included fine mesh sock that works with the catch net is simply the perfect solution for vacuuming up the fine silt, sediment, and little piles of dead algae. It really works and works well. It worked great for picking up the sand, dirt, and grit that we are typically unable to get out of the bottom of the pool and spa. Number 3. InoKraft Cordless Pool Vacuum. Tired of the hassle of pool cleaning? This lightweight and cordless vacuum is your solution. It's designed for both above-ground and in-ground pools, making daily maintenance a breeze. See the difference with the transparent suction head. This vacuum's unique design provides strong, precise suction, allowing you to easily spot and remove debris. It ensures a sparkling clean pool every time. From leaves to fine particles, this vacuum tackles it all. The wide suction port prevents clogging, while the fine mesh filter captures even the smallest debris. A built-in indicator lets you know when it's full. Whether it's shallow steps or deep ends, this vacuum has you covered. The dual-mode brush head and extendable pole allow you to reach every corner of your pool. It's the only tool you need. Enjoy up to 60 minutes of cleaning time on a single charge. This durable vacuum comes with a 1-year warranty and responsive customer support. It's built for long-lasting performance. What we like. This vacuum provides strong suction and is designed for easy daily cleaning. The dual-mode brush head adapts to different pool types and areas. If you like a hassle-free, versatile cleaner for both above-ground and in-ground pools, you should consider this. What people say. It has a powerful suction and picked up everything from leaves to small pebbles. The cordless design is very convenient. The vacuum is lightweight and easy to maneuver around the pool. Number 2. Yousky 2025 S1 Pro Cordless Pool Vacuum. Introducing the Yousky 2025 S1 Pro, a powerful cordless pool vacuum. It's designed to make pool cleaning easier and more efficient. This vacuum features a professional-grade motor with strong suction. It clears leaves, sand, and debris quickly, making your pool sparkling clean. The adjustable aluminum pole extends from 20 to 69 inches. This allows you to comfortably clean the pool floor and deep ends without bending. It comes with 2 brush heads for different cleaning needs. The quick-release design makes it easy to switch between them. The large filter bag holds a lot of debris, so you don't have to empty it often. It's made of durable polyester and is easy to clean. With a 2.5-hour charge time, you can clean your entire pool without interruptions. It also comes with a 1-year warranty and dedicated customer service. What we like. This vacuum features powerful suction and an adjustable pole for comfortable cleaning. It comes with interchangeable brush heads for different cleaning needs. If you are looking for a powerful and adaptable cleaner for your pool or spa, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The vacuum is lightweight and easy to maneuver. It has a long run time and is easy to charge. The filter bag is easy to remove and clean. Number 1. 3-in-1 Pool Cleaning Kit. Tired of buying pool tools separately? This kit includes everything you need: a vacuum head, a brush, and a net. It makes pool cleaning a breeze, so you can enjoy your pool more. The vacuum head is perfectly weighted, and handle swivels for easy maneuverability. Even a teenager can use it to glide through the pool and remove debris effortlessly. The extra-wide brush has wavy bristles that clean twice as fast. It easily tackles algae and dirt on walls, floors, and corners, making your pool sparkle. The reinforced frame scoops up leaves, bugs, and even pebbles. The beveled lip protects your pool's surfaces from scratches. Small holes disappear with a simple rub, saving you time and hassle. After a storm, quickly skim away debris in seconds. With this kit, you can keep your pool spotless and be the envy of your neighbors. It works with standard 1.25-inch poles, sold separately. What we like. This all-in-one kit simplifies pool care with its vacuum, brush, and net. The ergonomic design allows for easy, one-handed operation. If you like a complete, easy-to-use kit for quick and effective pool cleaning, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The vacuum is lightweight and easy to maneuver. It has a long run time, allowing for thorough cleaning. The filter bag is easy to remove and clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.